Hello guys! This morning, two guys came up to me and said that they recognized me on YouTube and that my Switzerland videos really helped with their Switzerland planning. I'm in a different room this year. I actually came back to do the marathon again. Fingers crossed. I think I'm gonna complete it this time. It's in 2 days. Okay, this video is about a room tour. This is a single room at Hotel Regina. Last year I stayed at the same hotel, but I booked a room with, it was like a larger room. So this one's mainly for like single travelers, but I feel like it's so spacious and I just absolutely love this hotel. So that's why I am back. So let's do a quick room tour, shall we? This room has been used for like a week now, so it is a little messy at the moment. So just bear with me. I'm gonna flip the camera so that you're seeing it from my point of view. So I'm gonna flip it. The first thing you see is this little bench, but I think it's mainly for your suitcase. But right now it's just holding all my dirty laundry. And then I have my shoes down here. I have my sandals, my running shoes on Saturday, my hiking shoes, and then I brought another pair of white sneakers. This lamp right here, it actually does not have light bulbs, so I can't even use it. So I feel like it's just a storage space for their huge lamp. But I'm sure I can request light bulbs if I need extra light, but honestly it's fine. I don't really need it. And then there's a lamp right here. I gotta need to sneeze. No, I do not. Okay, so this one turns on and off right here. And then it also comes with a little coffee maker right here, a kettle. What else? There is Wi-Fi and the password. And then this little card right here, it's basically the hotel way of going green. If you want to get your bed sheets changed, just place this card on your bed and then housekeeping will change your sheets. And if you do not want it changed, then you don't put that sheet on the bed. It comes with a little desk, chair, a TV right here, and then there's a bunch of closet space. Let me move my luggage. So right here, there's a full-length mirror. Ta-da! It is huge. And then there's a laundry bag typically, but I used it recently, so I don't have one at the moment. But this is the price for their laundry if you're interested in knowing. You can like screenshot it or like pause the video to take a look at it. So this is how much it costs. Okay. But yeah, there's like a bunch of closet space here if you need it. There's like hangers as well. Okay. And then, did I say the TV already, I think? Yeah. So then it also comes with this little, I don't know, like a coffee table with a trash can. The grapes are mine. I bought it from Coop. It also comes with a teacup, a black tea. There was also a green tea, but I drank it already. And they refill this water every single day for you. The heater, but I don't think it's on at the moment. Comes with a little chair that it's just hanging all my clothes. And I love the view. I feel like regardless of what room you stay in, you have a really great you have a very great view, sorry. There is a sheer curtain, and then there is another curtain like this, and I think this is just for design. Yeah, I think that's just for design. So there's a blackout curtain and then the sheer curtain. And then at night, it gets very dark. So honestly, there's like a little bit of light coming in, but it's still dark enough that honestly it's fine. And then the outside, this is the balcony. There's a chair, little table. And the best part of this hotel is the view. Oh, there's someone flying a drone. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a thunderstorm happening at the moment. But this is the view from this balcony. That's the village for Wengen over there. And then typically you'll see the mountains up here, but you don't see it at the moment because the clouds are hiding it, but you'll see Jungfrau and I think Mont or Eiger, I forgot which mountain was which. And then down there is the Lauterbrunnen Valley. Do you hear the bells? That's from the church over there. It's like up there, over there. Okay, and then let me try to zoom in actually. Do you guys see the waterfall right there? And then the Lauterbrunnen Valley all along there. And then there's a fountain outside. It's super, super quiet at night. I just love Wengen. Okay, let's go back inside. Ooh, and then lastly, this is the bed for the single room. So it's basically a regular twin size bed. It's super comfortable. You get 2 pillows. Yeah, it's a great room if you're just traveling alone as a single person. And oh, I didn't even show you the bathroom. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is the bathroom in here. So compared to last year, my bathroom was very, very dark. And this year, I love how the lights are so much brighter in here. I can see better. So they give you a towel. This is the toilet, a very typical Swiss shower for like a single person. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it is perfect if you're just traveling alone. There's the hair dryer. What else? Kleenex, hand soap. Comes with a shower cap. I brought these myself, and then it has, what is this? Body lotion for both of them. And then if you, let's see, yeah, if you want your towels changed, just throw it on the ground, basically. And then for the shower head can detach. And then the shampoo and body wash and everything, whatever. So yeah, this is the single room at Hotel Regina. I absolutely love this hotel. I love the staff here. There's so much history with this hotel. I think it's been open since like 1800s or 18 like something, I don't remember, don't quote me on that. Overall, if you're just looking for a great hotel with a great view and just like a quiet car-free village in this Lauterbrunnen area, I think Hotel Regina is the top choice for this area. So yeah, let's keep this video short and just make it like a hotel room tour. So yeah, hopefully this video was very helpful for you in choosing this hotel. Highly recommend. As someone who worked in the hotel industry, highly recommend this hotel. It is perfect. Okay, bye guys.
Good morning. How beautiful is the sky today? It was actually a little bit more pinkish earlier. I didn't film it, but it's so pretty with the clouds and then the mountains, and then down below there's a little fountain, so you hear the fountain noise. But this view from the balcony of Hotel Regina is so nice. Love it. You guys have to stay here if you guys do come to Wengen. It's honestly one of the best hotels. So beautiful.